It's time. Time to get ready to experience the aerial skills of one of the world's greatest military parachute display teams. Get your cameras ready, because it's time to introduce the Royal Air Force Falcons.
And immediately they start to break out into their formation, and the team coach is calling them straight away to get into what I'll try to do now is link you up live with the team in the air, and you can hear the coach giving instructions to the parachutists.
Go! 2, 3, that's 90, 4, 5, 6, 180, 7, 8, 9, right side base.
And you can see they're forming the heart formation, and that heart is dedicated to every single one of you here today to show our love and appreciation for your support. Thank you so much. And what they're doing now is they're turning about, and then they'll turn back in towards each other, and they'll form up to one of our signature moves, which as they cross over, going at high speed towards each other, which is a very technical skill with a parachute, they'll go immediately into a tight turn to form the carousel. Now this is the one, if you want to take pictures, this is the one to get.
Nice and variable on the ground.
Thank you.
So that was the coach, Flight Sergeant Liam Lyons, just getting an update of the wind on the ground. You can see the smoke canister on the ground will give them an indication for their landing. So they're into that tight spiral of the carousel. Incredibly difficult to do when you're following behind in someone else's smoke and draft from their parachutes. This requires a lot of concentration from the parachutists, and they're now beginning to spit out of the carousel and get themselves prepared, ready for their landing formation.
You're right down the leg, and then a right on the base.
So what you can hear there is the team coach giving the team directions for their landing down into the airfield today. They'll get into a snake formation where basically they will split into two, with two sets of parachutists landing on the drop zone, and those of you at the front might be able to see the cross markers on the ground. Those are the crosses that the team will aim for, and they will follow each other all the way down to the ground. So they can hear you now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Please give a massive cheer. Clap as hard as you can. Here they come. As they come into land, we have Flight Sergeant Liam Lyons, Sergeant Paddy Gilwar, Sergeant Owen Collins, Sergeant Greg Ashleby, Sergeant Gabe Coleman Moffat, Sergeant Doug McCall. And as we wait for our flags to come down, you can look up to the sky and you can see the crew of our Dornier 228 flown by our friends from Summit Air. Coming into land is Joe and Mike, immediately onto the ground. They'll go straight into the drill now, where they'll collapse their parachutes, take off their safety gear, and then they will carry out the famous RAF Falcons salute. Our guest of honour, General Mertz, is in position. Falcons taking up their positions. Ladies and gentlemen, I give to you the 2023 Royal Air Force Falcons! And please, once you're find your way down towards where the Falcons are. You can come and meet the team. Come and have a chat with us. We have some brochures, we have some pin badges. Come and find out what it's like to be a member of the RAF Falcons. And if you want to learn about parachuting, these are the boys and girls to talk to. So all it remains from me is to say thank you once again, Switzerland. Thank you, Mollis. Thank you, ZigAirMeet. We will love to come back again in the future. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.